Did you just fart? Oh, pluck my feathers! What in tarnation? Oh no, bro! Ah! Shut your ass up and oh no, my pony! Wait a minute! What do you mean? What's wrong? Look! Do they even know you even exist? Just come on, hurry! Whoa, what the hell is that orange thing? Get back over here, Furby! Hey, where are you running out to? We gotta go right now! Oh, fatty, let me go after the orange thing! Oh, yes, son, orange thing all over the place. Yeah, look all over! An alien invasion is happening right now! What are you talking about? If I don't save that orange thing, you and me are gonna die! Excuse me? Yeah, so if I don't save him, say goodbye to this earth! Now, if you excuse me, I got some running to do! What? No one, fatty? How about you get yourself a new son? He's white! Wait! Hold on! Oh, hell no! I'm gonna get you! Oh, make that chicken listen to what he's saying! He told the truth! You better believe what he's saying! What the hell are you even saying? Come on, let's go find him! Up, and away! These aliens are some popo stuff! Take this! Oh, you son of a... The hell is you looking at?
Oh, you're fine!
Hey! Furby! Where you are! Stop! Come on! Oh, da-da-da!